Hi guys, this is Daniel here, and even though I'm just at my door right now, it's storming like hell right here. And today, guess what's happening right next here? Look. Look how deep all that water is. Flooding. This is a serious storm, isn't it?
Oh, it is, yeah.
Let's hope it doesn't flood. Wait, let me get some shoes on so I can go out there. Ignore the weird ignore the zany music in the background. Sorry guys. Okay, so I have my boots on, as you can see. Oh my god. Well, it's raining very hard now. It's raining very hard. I'll have to make more videos about this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm basically going to go back. I'm going to go inside, have some tea, I'm going to watch some TV, and I'll make a video in a little bit about this situation. Daniel out!